welcome to Silicon Valley Innovation Center. So your group has been here for the past 4 days. If you could tell me more about your name, your position, your company, and also some key learnings in the Valley, and also something that you can bring back to your company after being here for almost a week.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for having us.
Yeah.
My name is Linh. I am the head of our VinTech City initiative, which is a program to create a technology ecosystem within Vietnam.
Yeah.
And we came here initially as the initial groundwork research for this initiative and learned quite a bit. Overall, we know a lot about Silicon Valley. I think most people do in this world. You do a lot of reading, and you kind of understand the concept of innovation. But being here and having gone through the program with you and meeting all these companies, we actually see a lot more of the details involved. Okay. Right? We're hearing firsthand stories.
Yeah.
We're actually seeing the campuses that are built, seeing the people interacting within each of those cities, and it gives you a better, more tangible feel. Right, okay. So we can actually take a lot of these key learnings, these real details, real life situations, and try to synthesize that into something that would work in Vietnam.
That's good. Any other thing that you thought you didn't know when coming here that kind of pop up through this 4 days?
I think, I thought I knew a lot about Silicon Valley already. For example, the difference between, say, the culture at Apple and the culture at Google, right? You do a lot of reading, you make a lot of assumptions. Yeah. But until you actually see it, and it's like right now, back to back, right? We visited the Google campus and we visited the Apple Visitor Center, and then you can just see and feel the difference, right? And so it's really hard. Culture is one of those intangible things that, how do you create it? How do people just know that they belong somewhere, right? And when you actually see that, you can see, there is a big difference, and it's very important to create the right culture for the people that you're building it for.
No, that's good. And for you and your company as a whole, it's something that's worthwhile to invest, right?
Yes, definitely.
Culture is definitely a big part of the Silicon Valley ecosystem. Hopefully, your group would come and do a bunch of change and kind of see Silicon Valley as sort of a sample of that change. Yeah. So hopefully that was a good experience, and looking forward, maybe your other groups would be interested to come and see it as well.